Welcome to KZ Mobile, your go-to channel for the latest in tech news and mobile device reviews. In today's video, we're diving into the highly anticipated Nokia Eve. Let's explore what makes this device stand out. Design and display. The Nokia Eve boasts a sleek, modern design, with a stunning 6.5-inch AMOLED display. The full HD Plus resolution offers vibrant colors and sharp details, perfect for media consumption and gaming. With a minimalist aesthetic, it's a device that feels premium yet comfortable in the hand. Performance. Under the hood, the Nokia Eve is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor, paired with 6GB or 8GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and gaming performance. Whether you're running demanding apps or playing graphically intensive games, the Eve delivers a smooth and responsive experience. Camera features. On the photography front, the Nokia Eve comes with a versatile 48 megapixels main camera, supported by an ultra-wide and depth sensor. This setup enables stunning photos in both well-lit and low-light environments, along with features like AI-enhanced photography for better results. It's a great option for photography enthusiasts. Battery life. With a 4000 mAh battery, the Nokia Eve promises impressive all-day usage on a single charge. Fast charging support ensures that you won't be tied down to your charger for too long, allowing you to quickly get back to using your device. Software and updates. Running on Android 11, the Nokia Eve offers a clean, bloat-free user interface. Nokia's commitment to timely software updates also means that users can expect regular security patches and OS upgrades, ensuring longevity and security for the device. Conclusion. The Nokia Eve combines solid performance, a premium design, and great camera capabilities into a smartphone that's both practical and stylish. Whether you're looking for a daily driver or a device to capture stunning photos, the Nokia Eve is definitely worth considering. That's a wrap on our Nokia Eve overview. For more in-depth reviews and tech news, make sure to subscribe to KZ Mobile. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.